Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Daddy Easy here. I'm not going to go into an intro. Just want to get this out the way really quick. If you look in the bio, Lenovo Legion Go 2, it's now available. Now this is going to sell out very quick. I do have one on the way. I currently have multiple ones that I currently have. I'm waiting for this one to actually come, which is the 32 gigabyte. That's the one that has the Z2E Extreme 32 gigabyte 1 terabyte Windows, and you can also get the AMD Ryzen Z2 with the 16 gigabytes 1 terabyte Windows edition right there for $1,000. This is always going to be available. I already got one. Actually, I got two. This one is coming in the mail Tuesday, but you want to grab this as fast as you can because this will go out of stock very quick. For the last few days, I've been trying to get the Z2 Extreme version 32 gigabytes, but every time I try to place the order, I kept getting errors. I went to Best Buy myself, to the actual store to try to do it. They were sold out. So it's only going to be up for about probably about 20 to 30 minutes, and it's going to be sold out. But if you're unable to do it after watching this video, stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to show you guys how to actually obtain one. It's a little trick that you can do, and I guarantee you'll be able to get it. So make sure you watch the video. This is a fast PSA, and I'm going to catch you guys later. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DY Easy gang. Like, and I will catch you guys later. Thumbs up, all right? And I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.